Happy skin to all. Myself, Dr. Nidhi Jindal. I am working as consultant dermatologist in Newtown and Salt Lake area of Kolkata. Microneedling radiofrequency is a superb dermatological device which uses two powerful procedures to work on the skin. Number one is microneedling, which create multiple channels in the skin to create injury to the skin and hence stimulate the natural mechanism of the body to rejuvenate. And this leads to the production of collagen and elastin and hence further rejuvenation. The second thing that has been used in microneedling RF is radio frequency, that is delivering the energy through these microneedles that will super support the microneedling induced by the device already, and hence the collagen and elastin production are much more than compared to simple microneedling. As we have already talked, microneedling radiofrequency uses two things or two procedures for the skin rejuvenation, whereas traditional microneedling uses only microneedling as a type of skin rejuvenation. Secondly, the energy that is delivered can be taken deeply to the deeper layers of the skin and hence more rejuvenation, more collagen and elastin production is there. Microneedling RF is generally suitable for most of the skin types and it can address many skin issues like skin aging, skin sagging, then fine lines, and if someone has acne scars, then jawline sagging. It works superb on overall rejuvenation of the skin also. Stretch marks, open pores, they all are wonderful indications for doing microneedling RF. So basically the wonderful thing about microneedling RF is there is generally no downtime, and if it is there, it's very minimal of up to few hours, which is equivalent to like a light sunburn in the form of minimal swelling, and redness can stay for 4 to 5 hours. The number of sessions that are required for a particular radiofrequency treatment depends upon the individual concern, skin type and the grade of the disease that is they are suffering from. And the number of sessions generally required are 5 to 6 at a gap of 4 to 6 weeks. All the candidates are apt for doing microneedling RF. It shall not be done in cases of active eczemas, active infections, and patients who are suffering from autoimmune disorders or any other systemic disease they need to be worked on. There can be minimum side effects in the form of temporary bruising, redness, and swelling. And there might be temporary darkening of the skin, but they all are very short-term side effects or post-procedure effects, you can say. If the post-care has been followed very regularly and religiously, the side effects are minimum or nil. If you have any of those skin concerns and anything else, and if you want to know more, please book an appointment with me at City Center 1 Wisdom. Thank you.